The KINGO HOME 33-inch drop-in kitchen sink offers a robust solution for any busy culinary environment. Constructed from heavy-duty 16-gauge stainless steel, this workstation is engineered to withstand the rigors of daily use while resisting dents and scratches. The sleek brushed satin nickel finish provides a modern aesthetic that complements various countertop materials, ensuring the fixture remains a centerpiece in your kitchen design. Designed for efficiency, this single bowl sink provides ample space for washing large pots, pans, and baking sheets. The 9-inch depth effectively minimizes splashing, helping to maintain a clean workspace throughout your meal preparation. As a practical choice for home cooks and professionals alike, the KINGO HOME 33-inch drop-in kitchen sink features premium sound dampening pads and a protective undercoating to reduce noise and prevent condensation buildup. Installation is straightforward, as the drop-in design allows for a seamless integration into existing cabinetry setups. The handcrafted corners are slightly rounded to make cleaning easy while maintaining the crisp, contemporary look of the basin. By choosing the KINGO HOME 33-inch drop-in kitchen sink, you are investing in a durable, high-performance appliance that combines industrial-grade strength with refined style to enhance your overall kitchen experience. Pros: premium T304 stainless steel, thick soundproofing rubber pads, corrosion-resistant finish, artisan-grade handcrafted design, gently rounded corners, optimal drainage system, standard garbage disposal compatible, includes drain accessories, limited warranty provided. Cons: accessories are not included, top mount installation only, limited return window of 30 days. Features: 33 by 22 inch size, drop-in top mount 16-gauge stainless steel, single bowl design. Commercial handmade quality 9-inch deep basin, workstation sink, brushed satin nickel finish. The KINGO HOME 33-inch drop-in kitchen sink offers a robust solution for any busy culinary environment. Constructed from heavy-duty 16-gauge stainless steel, this workstation is engineered to withstand the rigors of daily use while resisting dents and scratches. The sleek brushed satin nickel finish provides a modern aesthetic that complements various countertop materials, ensuring the fixture remains a centerpiece in your kitchen design. The KINGO HOME 33 by 22-inch stainless steel kitchen sink features a durable 16-gauge T304 construction with a corrosion-resistant finish, artisan-grade design, and excellent soundproofing for a quiet and reliable performance. While it offers practical benefits like an optimal drainage system, compatibility with standard garbage disposals, and included drain accessories, potential buyers should note that it is limited to top mount installation, comes with a restrictive 30-day return window, and some customers may find that additional desired accessories are not included in the purchase.